Deo Dental managed to turn around a water chamber for melting impression compound in a few weeks. So I thought, let's get ambitious. Let's just push Deo Dental. Let's push Jai. Can he make another product? And what everybody wants, another unit you can't buy, is a hot plate for melting wax rims. So you want to melt a wax rim, something like this. You're treating a patient. You need to get the registration rims trimmed properly. So let's make a hot plate that'll actually melt wax. So we've got a unit here which has got a hot plate with a hole in the middle. The wax will run through and is caught in a receptacle inside a silicone dish. So the whole lot again can go through the autoclave. This is autoclavable, the silicone dish is autoclavable. There's a neat little drip thing in the bottom to catch the wax. So the way you use this is, you preheat this to 125 degrees, you just press a button and it takes it up to the right temperature. And the way this works, I'll just turn this around to give you a demonstration. You need to make sure the wax runs to the back of the unit. So you can see, as I said, the hole at the back will catch the wax. And this is just amazing. 125 degrees, you've got a registration rim. You put your rim on your cast. I'll take it off for video purposes. And you just melt the wax. And you can change the contour, so you can change the height. You can also change the labial contour. So if you want to reduce the amount of lip support, you just take the wax around the front. That couldn't be easier. And the joy of this is, the wax is caught inside. When you've finished doing this, really important guys, you need to get a tissue and wipe over the top to wipe the excess wax off while it's still hot. Any excess wax that's running through, so it goes through the nozzle, is caught inside the unit. So Deo Dental came up with this amazing second unit, and there's nothing on the market as far as we know, so they've met the brief, make a hot plate that's autoclavable, easy to use, and this just fits on the standard Deo Dental base unit. The problem with rims is the uppers and lowers are different. The upper rim's easy, you put it on there and it doesn't matter, because the rim, the highest point of the rim is here, so there's nothing above it. On lowers, and this is where we had a design revision with Jai, I said the lower rims are different. We have heels that stick up on these, and these don't want to be flattened off. So basically, that's why we have a cutout at the back of the rim, so you can actually put the rim on the hot plate and not change the shape of the back of the heels of the wax block. So you can hang the rim off the back. Makes a big difference. This is why in-house developed UK made such a difference. Turned around in a couple of weeks. So when you finish trimming your rim, demo purposes, a bit of wax, you're going to have wax residue on the top of this plate. If you push this through a washer disinfectant autoclave, you're going to cause damage. So the important thing is run this at 125 degrees, as you would have been, get a tissue and wipe the excess wax off. If you do this, it's not going to affect any equipment. You wipe that off, all the excess wax has dropped through the middle, so that's not an issue. It's going to go through the spout. So you just wipe the spout, wipe the hot plate, that can go through the washer disinfector. It's not going to cause any damage to anything. So don't forget this, wipe the hot plate when you're finished using it clinically.